I tell you?
2 classes you got. H2S, what is it? H2S?
Oh my god, look at that dust storm, bro.
I've explained this to people, they thought I was full of shit. It's like being out in fucking the Arabs. Imagine their shit. We're literally not going to see nothing. Look, the shit's up. I don't know how many feet's up, but you look, it just went from light to dark.
Damn dust storm.
Oh yeah, it gets on.
Let's see how thick it gets though.
Oh look, it's like a fog, bro. So you excited? Tomorrow you'll be in the air conditioner all day. It's an easy class. You just gotta listen.
Oh my god. Okay, okay. My camera is actually looking straight through the dust.
Okay, yeah, good deal.
And my camera's actually making it look clearer. Oh, that's crazy.